In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use ChatGPT to verify references and find credible sources efficiently. This process is incredibly useful if you're writing a paper, working on a project, or simply ensuring the accuracy of your information. Let's dive into the step-by-step guide on how to accomplish this. First off, you'll want to open ChatGPT. To do this, head over to chatopenai.com and sign in with your account. It's important to make sure you're logged in, as this allows you to start chatting with the AI and utilize all of its capabilities. Once you're comfortably settled in, the next step is to start a new chat. Look towards the left sidebar of your screen, where you should find an option labeled New Chat. Click on it to open a fresh conversation. This helps keep your queries organized and separate from any previous interactions you might have had. Now, it's time to present the reference you wish to verify. You have the option either to paste the specific reference or describe it to ChatGPT. For example, you might say, "You mentioned an article called Future of AI in Healthcare by John Smith, 2023. Can you double-check if this is real? If not, please suggest credible sources on the topic." It's crucial at this point to be as clear as possible with your request to ensure ChatGPT understands what exactly you are asking for. Next, you'll want to ask ChatGPT directly to fact-check the reference you provided. A straightforward request would be, "Please verify each source you listed and give me working links or publication details." When asking for this kind of verification, it's vital to specify that you need verifiable sources and any available links or publication details that can substantiate the credibility of these references. This step helps you quickly identify whether a source is reliable or if you should seek alternatives. If you find that the sources you have aren't entirely credible or up to date, you can also request updated sources. You could ask, "Give me 3 real references about AI in healthcare from 2023 with authors and URLs." This request signals to ChatGPT that you want the latest verifiable information on the topic. Lastly, after chatting with ChatGPT and identifying the most reliable sources, it's time to save your corrected list for future reference. This will ensure that you have a trustworthy set of sources to base your work on, minimizing any issues related to inaccuracies. And there you have it, a seamless way to ensure your references are solid and dependable using ChatGPT. With this method, you can work more confidently, knowing the information you rely on is verified. Thank you for joining today's tutorial. Be sure to subscribe for more tips and tricks on leveraging AI tools effectively. See you next time.